Je m'appelle Ian. In this video, I'm going to quickly go over what you should do and where to go in case your YouTube channel or Google account gets hacked, deleted, or you just lose all access to it. And we're starting right... Before we start, if you're having any of these problems, I'm sorry to hear that, and I'm going to be real with you. This method is not an instant fix, as nothing is these days when you're dealing with these things. For some, it may be as little as a few days, while other more complicated instances may take a couple of weeks. It's stressful, but patience is the key to making this whole mess work out. What you'll need: number 1, your YouTube channel's URL that was compromised. Number 2, a personal photo ID of the owner of the compromised channel, which would be you. And number 3, the IP address and/or address of the computer/device that regularly uploads or signs into what is now the compromised channel. Okay, so first off, don't panic. You need to head over to Google Support or support.google.com/YouTube. I'll leave that in the link below. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and click Contact Us. Fill out step 1 saying your account has been compromised, then click the most relevant tag that they provide. During step 2, which is Resources, click Get in touch with YouTube Creator Support Team. Then choose your preference, whether it's through chat or email. Chat is faster in my opinion. Then choose your chat language. Once you choose your chat's language, you'll need to provide your channel's URL that was compromised and start chat. Be prepared for about a 30-minute conversation of answering personal questions about your account or channel that no one else should know but you. Okay, once you've finally made it in chat, this is when you'll need to give support all the info regarding your particular situation. They'll need you to fill out an application and provide proof of ownership, whether that be personal info or details of the account that no one else would know, like your device's IP address that you use to upload and stream from regularly. There's quite a list of questions that they ask, so the more info that you provide, the better. Now for the difficult part, the waiting game. Once you fill out all the info that support chat needs, they'll send that info to their tech team, which will email you from there, and it'll most likely be days later and not immediate. But don't stress here, as they do a pretty decent job at updating you on the status of your channel via email once every day, every other day-ish. But overall, that's it. That's all you've got to do. Wait for them to work their magic and don't stress. I really hope this helped. Please hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.